Welcome everyone to It's Not.
Hello everyone, I'm taking over Yasser for this video. It's me, Sharouk. I hope you missed me. But let's cut to the chase. Yasser changed the name of the channel from It's Not Rocket Science TV to Yas, Let's Learn. And I think it's more appropriate for the channel right now. What do you think? Do you like the name? If you do, please drop a comment down below and like and subscribe and share. And pin the channel so you get updates on every video and you get notifications. Thank you so much and you have a wonderful day. Bye!
Oh, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around.
Hello there everyone, thank you so much for coming back to the channel at It's Not Rocket Science TV. Yes, it is going to be another Blender video. Today we're going to be learning about how to make a room on Blender. First of all, add a plane. Scale it for a bigger ground. Change the vertices selection to a linear selection. Click two of the lines that take up one of the corners, holding Shift and right-click to each of the line. Now press E and Z to extrude for a wall. To give a thickness of the wall, press A to select all. Then press Alt and E. You will see some pop-up options. Try to click Extrude and face along normals. Then finally, click minus to go to the other direction. I don't know what that means, but roll with it. And then BAM! You made a room. Congratulate yourself. Take a second, go get a coffee, go get tea, buy yourself a donut, go to Tim Hortons. I don't care. Inshallah, you go make noodles. Congratulations on making that part. That must have been really, 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 really stressful. Because it is so stressful to even just open Blender and do the work. Like it will just go and just like crash inexplicably. And it's, you know what? This is, I'm having a flashback. Moving on. Now listen, I know you want to go and make a video game, make the next Final Fantasy, God of War, Super Mario, Zelda, everything, see Kingdom Hearts, Metroid, Firefox, but today we're just gonna try making a couch for the room and then we'll figure it out from the next part. Oh, I'm serious. Habibi, I think you should understand that Blender is not a very easy software. In order for you to reach the level of Disney Pixar and try to make the next like Frozen 3, you gotta try to know at least a couple of basics and a couple of like little details. But don't worry, just know this. Just knowing how to even add another box in a 3D software, you've already gotten the medal of, oh, I'm a 3D animator. I don't know what's the word, but anyways, you're an animator. Now then, let's begin on making a couch. Press Shift and A again. Choose a plane, then drag the plane with a G and a Y in order to drag it into a certain axis. Then move that good stuff with a mouse and then press enter to confirm and let it go. Then you want to scale it by pressing S on the object and play with the X and Y axis while clicking S to try to maybe make a little rectangle, you know, in order to like make the foundation of the couch. You will understand it as you go. Trust the process. Trust the process. Trust the process, or I promise you'll fail. And then now when you're done with that, congratulations, go change the vertices settings to face and press E to extrude. Then press Ctrl and R in order to loot cut.
Pond 5.
Loot cut again to make the back of the couch.
Pond 5.
Then select 3 of the faces of the back of the couch. Press E to extrude. Now you want to go and create some smoothness by going to the modifier or Ctrl+2. Right click and click smooth shading.
Pond 5. Pond 5. Pond 5. Pond 5.
So you did like the main couch, but you can't have a couch without a cushion. So let's add cushions. Add a plane again, then drag it to the couch. Extrude the plane upward. Again, trust the process. Now loot cut the top of the box and numerating the loot cut to 3. Aliyam! To 3 different lines by going to the tool workspace. Move the mouse to the top of the box until you see the yellow line horizontally, you know? Then hold Shift and Alt and try to scale them vertically by pressing the S.
Pond 5.
Don't forget the S. Did I mention the S? Press the S. The S. Press the S to scale them vertically. Now, thank you. Okay. And then another horizontally. You know, just to create the boxes of the cushions.
Pond 5. Pond 5. Pond 5. Pond 5. Pond 5.
And try to face select the 4 faces of the cushion. Right click and then choose poke faces. Go back to object mode, Control 2, then right click and smooth the shade.
Pond 5. Pond 5. Pond 5.
Then go to edit mode, select 4 of the poked faces. And just press G, move them down, and click Z in order to move them down.
10 people died in the Bronx last night due to a fire that killed 10 people in the Bronx last night during a fire.
Press Z in order to move them down straightforward flawlessly.
Round 5. Round 5.
And then boom! Congratulations, you did it. But hold up, we're not done. Or we're not done. But we almost are. Stay with me, stick with me. Trust me, you will get that bubble tea right afterwards. Next thing you want to do is go to transform pivot point and select to individual origins. Then select those same squares with an X and Y button to make a nice square. Then switch the individual origin to median point. Then drag those faces down, and then voila, you've made the buttons of the cushion. For a second, I almost said kushari.
Round 5. Round 5.
Now, change from editor to object mode.
Round 5.
Press Ctrl and D, or right click and choose duplicate. Move the second cushion to complete the gap.
Pond 5. Pond 5.
You also need the cushions of the arms of the couch, and you need the cushions of the chest of the couch. It just makes it look better, so let's get to it.
Pond 5. Pond 5. Pond 5.
Make the same box that we did just before, but with 2 buns this time instead of 4. Make 3 of the cushions by clicking duplicate object again by right clicking or Control D 2 more times, and then placing Alt click and left click with the face, or just hold Shift and select in case the shortcut keys don't work. Select the 2 faces and click poke. Push the buttons down, then shift and select the 4 remaining faces surrounding the button, including the buttons itself. Click E to extrude and Z to push the buttons face upward. Once the customizing is complete, you just need to rotate by clicking R and just try to make them fit in the right angle as if you were placing a cushion in real life. Press select object mode and the cushions on its own, and rotate pressing R and apply them on top of the seat cushions. Lastly, duplicate the arms of the cushions and trying to fit them also on the arms of the couch. And of course, rotating them to fit on the couch the right angle.
Pond 5. Pond 5. Pond 5.
There you have it. You have molded a couch on Blender. You have now learned how to make a piece of furniture on a 3D software. How does that feel? Congratulate yourself. I know there's a lot you want to catch up to, but we're gonna get there. I promise you, you will leave this video not feeling the same. You'll feel positive. Just congratulate yourself for every little thing you do on this software and everything you do having to listen to my teaching. I promise. You're gonna be big one day and you're gonna be able to make, I can't imagine like how amazing your projects might be out there one day. Who knows? You might even be hired by Disney or DreamWorks. Make me proud. Now then, now that we're done, I'm gonna see you on part 2. We're gonna take a break on this one. I want you to go talk to your family, friends, show them what you made, you know, share my channel if you think my video is actually helpful. Send it out to your friends and family, and let's keep it going. Take care. Sorry to break up the show, but the video is getting too long, and I don't want to take up too much of your time. So until then, slap that subscribe button and stay tuned for part 2. Bye.